So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this roof rack cage, and this is from the company TANX. Now, it did not come assembled like this. This is some of the parts that I have out right here. It came in this box right over here. The assembly was pretty easy. This was in 4 different parts, and all you do is put these plates on the side, run the screws down. You can see how the screws run down like that, a nut on the inside. Put this plate on the front, I think that's for like air, and then put a screw down through there, and then a lock nut on the inside. So all of it was easy to come together. I had this thing together in maybe 5 minutes. It was that easy, just once you snap it together. This comes with this bag. Now, this bag does not need that cage. It can actually go and cinch down. I will not be using it that way. I'm gonna actually use it inside the cage. That's what you get this thing for. There's 2 different types of roof racks that this will work on. It can work on your roof racks like this that I have installed, or it can work on the factory roof racks. So what I'm gonna do is just hook it up on my Yakima roof racks right here. These work great, and they can hold a lot of weight. I'm gonna put the cage on top and cinch it down, and then I'll come back and I'll show y'all exactly what that thing looks like when it's up there, and I'll put the bag in there. So let's get it installed now, because it's just 4 little Y bolts going up through the bottom. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just went ahead and installed it. Check it out. So all you do is run these little like U-clips. I guess they're kind of like a little U-clip that goes around, and then it goes under the bar right here. Now, like I said, this will work on either like Yakima bars like this, or square bars by Thule, or your factory roof racks. It's actually designed more for a factory roof rack than this, but look how, look, I can shake the whole vehicle with this. That's how nicely that went on my rack system here. Then you look around at the front, it's got the little wind deflector that runs up. This is one of the most affordable kind of roof rack systems, cage systems that I've seen out there. I really like this thing a lot. I think it looks great, and I think it's gonna be something that I'm gonna be using going forward. Let me go ahead, throw the bag in there, and let's just look at it with the bag in there. I can cinch it down inside of here and give me a full-on luggage rack up there that's waterproof. This bag is super durable. It's got a Velcro liner and a waterproof zipper that runs all the way down, and it can hold a ton of gear in there. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great addition to anyone with a roof rack and roof space that you want to put extra gear up here, whether it's luggage, clothes, maybe even a paddleboard or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the TANX roof rack box cage. See you on the next video.